Imagine hearing your own voice saying things you never said. This AI cloned mine in just 30 seconds and the results are freakishly real. Today I am testing one of the craziest AI tools of 2025, a voice cloning AI that's so real. It will make you question what's real and what's not. Stick around because by the end of this video I'll play an entire paragraph spoken in my clone voice that I never actually said. Let's dive in. What is voice cloning AI? In simple terms, AI voice cloning means using machine learning to analyze your voice tone, accent, pitch, rhythm, and recreate it digitally. Once trained, the AI can say anything in your voice, even stuff you never said. Use cases include audiobooks, YouTube narrations, customer service bots, personalized assistants, and yes, even deepfakes. Today I am using a free tool called 11 Labs. It's one of the most realistic and easiest voice AI tools out there. And yes, the base plan is free. Testing the AI tool. Let's test it together. I'm going to show you exactly how to clone your voice in under 30 seconds. Step 1. Create a free account on 11 Labs. No need for credit card, just email and password. Step 2. Go to Voice Lab. Add your voice. Record 30 seconds of you reading any script. Example, hi, my name is Dash. I am testing the amazing AI voice cloning tool for fun. Step 3. Wait 10 to 30 seconds for processing. The AI starts analyzing pitch, tone, emotion, delivery. Step 4. Type and text and let AI speak in your voice. Show real-time results, the clone voice reading something the host never said. This it is my voice, but not me. Real-world use cases. Voiceover plus examples. YouTube and TikTok creators use voice AI for voiceovers, narration, even character creation. Students and professionals turn essays or notes into spoken content for better learning or podcast-style listening. Game developers and animators generate character voices without hiring actors. Accessibility tools. People with speech impairments can recreate their voice permanently. Customer service and eyewear systems. AI-generated voices now sound more human than ever. Risk and ethics. As amazing as this tech is, it also opens the door to serious misuse. Potential risks are fake voice scams, deep fake audio in politics, unauthorized celebrity or influencer impersonation, legal and copyright gray zones. That's why companies like 11 Labs include watermarking, use monitoring, and consent policies to their TOS. So, if you're using it, always get permission before cloning someone else's voice, even it's just for fun. The final voice test. Alright, here it is. I gave my clone voice a paragraph to read, one that I never actually recorded myself. I never said a word of that. AI did it for all. What do you think? Is it creepy, useful, or both? Imagine if we had this in school. I could have submitted a podcast without saying a word. Voice cloning is just the tip of AI iceberg. This tech is growing fast, and whether you use it for content creation, storytelling, or education, it's here to stay. Let me know in the comments, what would you do with your AI voice clone? Would you trust it, or is it going too far? All links to free tools like 11 Labs and others are in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I have got more insane AI experiments coming up.